What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cargo lamp assembly on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just take a straight blade screwdriver right under this lens assembly, just pop it out like that and then slide it. Disconnect the connector right here. You can use the same pocket screwdriver, push down on that lock, and then just slide the connector out like that. Take the lamp assembly, line the connector up, lock it in place, slide that right there, slide it in that way, and lock that in place. Test it out, make sure it works. You're good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.